Hi everybody, welcome back to Sunshine Soap and Candle Company. Today I'm going to be restocking my Water Relief Cream, so I thought I would take you along and share with you my process and how I make that, and also share with you everything that goes into it. This is a really popular cream. I sell a lot of it on my website. It's surprisingly easy to make, and it is surprisingly powerful and works really great. People will buy this a lot of times in conjunction with my carrot and turmeric soap with people who have sensitive skin or eczema prone skin. I just used it last week on my daughter. I wish I would have photo documented it and shared it with you all, but it was amazing. She had a patch on her skin that was broken out from, it looked like eczema, and we just applied it 2 times a day for about 3 or 4 days and it completely went away. I have other photos that I took when this product was in testing phase to share with everybody how it worked, so maybe I'll go ahead and repost some of those or share that to this video, just because it is nice to see how awesome this product works, and yet the ingredients are very simple, easy to find, and the process by which to make this product is also very easy. I will be sharing the full recipe on my Patreon page, but come along with me and take a look at how it's made. So for this recipe, we are going to be using yellow cosmetic grade beeswax. This is great for its healing properties, and it also provides a wonderful skin barrier and its conditioning. The other thing it also does is it helps your solid cream to set up. We are going to be using unrefined cocoa butter. We're using unrefined cocoa butter for its healing properties. It has amazing antioxidant benefits to it, and it's really good and healing for irritated skin, chapped skin, eczema prone skin. Cocoa butter is a great moisturizing conditioner with tons of antioxidants. For our liquid oil, we are using rice bran oil. We are using rice bran oil also for its antioxidant properties. Promotes healing. We're using marigold or calendula flowers. We're using this for its anti-inflammatory properties, especially anti-redness and anti-inflammatory properties. We are also going to be using arnica flowers. Arnica is known for its pain relief properties. So sometimes you'll see arnica creams in the store. You can buy commercial arnica creams. Well, today we're going to be infusing our solid lotion with arnica flowers to help reduce inflammation and pain. We are also using a blend of tea tree essential oil and lavender essential oil. Both of these essential oils are great for the skin. Tea tree is antifungal and lavender is very healing. So let's go ahead and go over to the stove. We're going to melt everything down in a double boiler method. All right, so all I've done is I've put a pot of water over medium heat, and then I've put a stainless steel bowl right on top of it. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and add in all of my oils and hard butters. So in goes the cocoa butter. Here's the cocoa butter. In goes the beeswax. In goes the rice bran oil. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to allow this to melt down. Once this is all the way melted down, we're going to be adding in our plant matter. So I'll bring you right back when we're ready to go ahead and add in the flowers. Okay, everything is now thoroughly melted down and we're ready to go ahead and add our flowers. Now this part, I don't really have a measurement for it. I really just eyeball it. I put half calendula right directly into it, and I do the other half arnica flowers. I just make sure there's enough plant matter in there that it's all in there. There's not a whole bunch of oil that doesn't have flowers in it. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit more calendula. This will reduce down some as you get it into your hot oils. Here we go. And there we have a nice mixture. We're just going to go ahead and mix it all in so the oils get evenly distributed. And we have a nice infusion going on. So a lot of times you will see people just infuse the liquid oils. In this case, I find it beneficial to infuse all of the oils and the hard butters and the beeswax all together. So we're going to go ahead and let this simmer on low heat on the double boiler. Make sure you watch the water level, and we're going to go ahead and do this, let this simmer for 2 hours. So I'll bring you right back when it's all infused. Okay, this has been infusing now for 2 hours and it's completely done. So we're going to go ahead and do the next step here, which is to go ahead and strain all the plant matter through this little wire mesh sieve, and it's going to go right into this glass container, but then I'm actually going to be pouring it into a smaller Pyrex container so that it's easier to pour into my little containers. So we're just going to go ahead and slowly pour this directly in. So the key here is to get a container that's big enough to hold the wire strainer, because if your wire strainer is too big for your container, then your solid lotion is going to go all over the counter. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and press the plant matter down to make sure we get all of that good oil in there. Okay, that'll about do it. Straining out all the extra good stuff. Okay. So we're just going to get a clean spatula, and then it is time to go ahead and stir in the essential oils. So you're noticing already, I can see already that this is starting to set up around the sides of the container. So what I like to do here is pop it back over the heat for just a minute to make sure that we keep it at a fluid state. So I will be right back. Okay, now that we're back down to a fully fluid state, we're going to go ahead and add in the blend of tea tree and lavender essential oil. We're just going to give it a good stir. Make sure everything gets combined. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and pour it into my Pyrex container. This will be a much easier to pour, and I'll show you what type of containers I'm using. Go ahead and pour most of it in. I am using these little push tubes from, I think I got these from Bulk Apothecary, so I'll go ahead and link the store into the description box below so you can purchase some if you'd like. And they're perfect. They're just 1 ounce little containers. You push it up and it has little lids that go with it, so I find them to be really useful. Okay, I'll bring you right back when these have set up and we're ready to go ahead and put the lids on and label them. All right, everybody, these have been setting up for several hours. Now it is time to go ahead and put the lids on and label them. Okay, everybody, that is how you make the Weta Relief Cream. You can use it on anything from insect bites to sunburns to dry skin or eczema. Please remember, if you like this video, to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Catch you on the next video.